Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Koenig Arius Style 55 here with me. This is generation 4, and as usual we're going to analyze the look, the sound and the feel of this guy. But first of all, let's just do a quick size comparison. For example, up against this bad boy right over here, this is the Shirogorov Quantum. Pretty big boy right there. And also we have something smaller from Shirogorov, so you can check out. This is the Neon R20, also from these guys. Pretty nice. We have it up against, generation 3. So what do you think? Which one is the best? Let me know. I think, they're both pretty gorgeous guys. And since we are doing this, why not? Boom. Look at this. Generation 4 sprint run, beautiful carbon fiber with blue veins inside. I mean, guys, I love the Arius, really cool. This is another super nice knife. This is the Shirogorov F3NS, and let's do up against some more popular options. This is the Spyderco Paramilitary 2, and here you have the Spyderco Paramilitary 3, Para 3, right over here. And let's do another one. Of course, let's do the Chris Reeve Knives Sebenza 21. This is the large, of course, and because we have it here, this is the Mini Glimpse Bag Knife Steelcraft Edition. What else do we have? We have the Mini Crooked River from Benchmade. Nice knife, guys. Really cool right over there. And why not? Let's do another titanium frame lock Peña X Series Mula right over here. So this is a pretty cool knife, guys. It's the generation 4 of the Koenig Arius. It's a beautiful knife. This in particular, it's the Style 55 version, which has this pretty cool milling going on here. Look at this, how beautiful this is. I don't know, you tell me, guys. This is something spectacular. I reviewed the Generation 3, the Generation 2. This is the Generation 4. You can check my video about how to find out which version you have. I think the version 4 is probably the one with a little bit better action, some little nicely tweaked details, but all of them, guys, are pretty good. You can't go wrong even with Generation 2. This in particular is all titanium frame lock, 8.5 inches long, 5.1 inch long handle, beautifully milled. I mean, guys, the milling on this one is exceptional. Something that I noticed, actually, it's the lack of skeletonization on the presentation scale, which is going to reflect a little bit in the weight compared, for example, to the carbon fiber. There's over an ounce more in weight in this guy over here. You've got, of course, your gorgeous finger grooves, nicely chamfered all the way around. Nice 3D milled titanium backspacer with this jimping going on. Integrated lanyard hold right over here. You have lock face insert, stainless steel to avoid lock stick. You've got the integrated lock bar stabilizer right over there. Nice external lock bar relief with this Style 55 nicely engraved over there. It reminds me like how Peter Rassenti is doing his signature in this area right over here. You can see through the clip the serial number of the run. This is number 88. Beautifully done. Like, that's a very nice touch. Right over there, you can see the milling line on the flats here. Very cool. Of course, not non-protruding screws, D-shaped pivot, so you're gonna need just a T8 in order for you to disassemble and maintain this guy. Tip-up only, pocket clip 3D mill titanium from solid titanium. It's not reversible, of course. The blade is gonna be a 3.5-inch long M390, which you can see, where is it? Here, right over there. M390, this is only in the version 4. Just a little detail right there. Very, very nice hollow grind, guys. Really tall blade, beautiful profile here, no jimping. This one has directional satin for the main bevel, different kind of satin for the flat, almost like a vapor blast, like fine medium blasted area here, not the fuller, but this area here. The spine and the swedge are beautifully done. It's a concave swedge, big belly up to this point, maybe 40%, and straight edge up to the sharpening choil. Beautifully done. Also, like the flipper tab right over here with this jimping going on. Nice lines, nice curves over here. Look at this. This is just perfect, guys. Beautiful. The jimping going on here for to release the lock bar is fantastic. I mean, yeah, it's beautiful, guys. It's a very nice one. There's very, very minimal billboarding, which is just like over here and over here. The plunge grind, look at this, guys. Look at this line, how well it's made. It's beautiful. I mean, it's nicely done. It exposes how thin behind the edge this blade is. It's superb. The sound this guy makes. It's this, guys. Very, very nice, super listenable. It's almost very classy clack. When you open and when you close it, it's just beautiful, guys. Really, really cool sound. I can hear this guy like for hours and not get tired. It's just so good. Really, really nice. Also, you've got 5.2 ounces on this one because of the lack of skeletonization for the presentation side scale. Sorry. Zero hotspots. One of the highlights of this blade is the ergos, guys. In the hand, it's difficult to find something that feels better than this. There's zero hotspots, perfect grip. You can squeeze here in this area because it's narrow and here it's widening. So you're gonna have a perfect purchase right over here. Beautiful, feels extremely solid. You can do reverse grip. It's yeah, you have this area here. Probably I would have preferred maybe something more flat. Especially because this lanyard hole is stealing a little bit away from the perfect or ideal handle to blade ratio. In fact, you see the blade just stops right here. You have maybe 1 centimeter protruding just to have the option of the lanyard hole, but it's also a design choice which makes sense to me because you see it, right? So it's nice. So I'm not complaining about this. I like it. But overall, this guy is like absolutely solid in the hand, zero gaps, top fit and finish, nice texture, no blade play, beautiful clip ramp. The clip retention is very, very good. Nice spring tension. Not too nice is the pretty short clip ramp right over here, but it's okay. Clip looks good. It's not 100% functional, but yeah, it can pass because of, like, for example, the deployment speed, guys. This is a fast opening knife, and you can use your middle finger to do a spidey flick. You can use your thumb to do a thumb flick. You can do two-hand opening, light switch. You can do push button. I mean, guys, you can play around with this in many ways. Every way is gonna be super smooth. This guy is running on bearings. Detent strength on this one is on the medium side. It's perfectly dialed in. You have a nice kickback when you open the blade like that. You cannot touch the tip of the blade like this. It doesn't rattle. at all. When you shake, this guy is absolutely rock solidly built. I also appreciate a lot how easy it is to release the lock bar with this jimping going on here and protruding area here and this side, like shaved down for in order for your thumb to be accessing the lock bar and just disengaging it. Super nice. Also, there's a beautiful detent ball ramp, zero hard step, no lock stick, of course, free falling blade and guillotine effect gliding down when you do this movement, guys. This is fantastic. I really like this blade. Beautifully designed, nice look, great ergo, awesome sound, guys. Super fidgetable. Love it. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.